Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical connections and basic audio state. Make sure headphones or speakers are actually plugged in and powered. Once done, press Win, type Services, Open Services, and set Windows Audio to Automatic. Choose Delayed Start if available. This ensures the service starts reliably at boot. Then run the built-in audio troubleshooter and open the volume mixer while signed in to confirm no app is muted. These first actions catch the common startup causes. Next, you address drivers and device settings because misbehaving drivers often mute on startup. Press Win plus X, choose Device Manager, expand sound, uninstall the audio device, then use Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. This refreshes the driver stack. After that, open Sound Settings, set your preferred playback device as default, and in Properties disable Apps Exclusive Control. Also open Sound Control Panel, Communications tab, and choose Do Nothing. That prevents Windows from muting. Finish by making the change persistent. If startup still mutes, create a scheduled task to run at logon that sets volume or unmutes the device. This is a reliable workaround when timing is the issue. Restart Windows and test under your account and a secondary account to isolate profile problems. If the issue persists, roll back the audio driver or restore to an earlier system restore point. That often removes a bad update. If you need one tip, use System Restore before deep changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.